Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, long story short, I bought this kayak and it's pretty basic, but it's gonna help me do different content for you guys. But it really needs some upgrades before we get in the water. And one of them upgrades I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be installing some rod holders and on the kayak. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. So yeah guys, this is what I got. I got a pair of these rod holders. I have this rubber seal. You'll be able to close the hole when you're using it. And yeah, I'll probably leave the link in the description for you guys if you want to get one of these. It comes with the screws. I have this Sharpie in here so I can mark the holes. I'm gonna use this hole saw, which is just slightly smaller than the diameter of this rod holders, because I wanted to go in tight. And the screws, I don't recommend to use a tool like that, a drill or whatever, to put them in, because it's drilling into plastic. So you can use that to start a hole with a screw, but I recommend you use like a Phillips screwdriver to finish tightening up the bolts, so you don't ruin the plastic on the kayak. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing one in here and another one over there just behind the seat. I'm gonna make the rods point a little bit out of the kayak, because in future we're going to be installing a crate in here with some rod holders too, but this will be used to do some trolling, for example, or something like that. So I want the rods pointing a little bit out from the kayak. I'm going to start marking the hole so I can start drilling. So this is roughly the position I want them to be, so I'm going to mark the hole. Something like this to pull it out. There you go. It's quite a thick kayak, to be honest. As you can see, it doesn't quite fit yet. We're gonna have to shave a little bit of this around. I'm gonna grab a file or something like that. So yeah, I couldn't find a file, but I found this that will do the same trick. Now that it's sitting flush, I just had to shave the hole on this side a little bit, because obviously this goes into the diagonal a little bit. Now that it's sitting flush, all we have to do is put the rubber gasket back on, like that, line it up, and I'm gonna put some silicone around the hole, and then I'll use the screws, squish everything back down. It's gonna do its thing. there. Line up the holes. Like that. Finish tightening this up by hand. That's it. Now I'm gonna use this. Tighten them up by hand. Wipe this excess silicone out of here. That's it. So yeah guys, as you can see, it's really easy to install these rod holders on the kayak. They will come really handy, and any one of you can do this. It's really easy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.